For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of relying on the grid for your power needs? But here's what surprised me about the eco-worthy 400W wind solar kit. I was expecting a top-notch product that would make off-grid living easier and more efficient. However, after digging deeper, I discovered some major red flags that left me wondering if this kit is worth the hype. Let's dive into the details of the eco-worthy 400W wind solar kit and explore what makes it a potential deal-breaker for many consumers. Act 1. The hype. The eco-worthy 400W wind solar kit seems like a dream come true for anyone looking to reduce their reliance on the grid. With its impressive 400-watt capacity, it promises to provide enough power for small homes, cabins, or RVs. But what sets it apart from other kits on the market? According to the product description, this kit includes a 400W wind turbine with a durable fiberglass blade, a 100Ah battery bank with deep cycle batteries, a 30 APWM solar charge controller, an MPPT solar regulator for optimal energy harvesting. Sounds impressive, right? But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Mini promise ***. I'll reveal what makes this kit's design flawed and potentially hazardous to users. Act 2. The flaws. But as we dig deeper into the product's specifications, some disturbing patterns emerge. Firstly, the wind turbine's blades are made from a relatively cheap material that may not withstand harsh weather conditions. According to various customer reviews, the blades have been known to crack or break under moderate winds, rendering the turbine useless. Moreover, the battery bank is comprised of low-quality batteries that may not provide the advertised capacity or lifespan. This raises concerns about the kit's overall reliability and ability to meet users' energy needs. Rehook ***, but what if I told you there's an even more pressing issue with this product? Mini twist ***, the manufacturer has been accused of using counterfeit components in their kits, which could lead to safety hazards and warranty issues for unsuspecting customers. Act 3, the resolution. Therefore, after weighing the pros and cons, I firmly believe that the eco-worthy 400W wind solar kit is not worth the investment. Despite its promising specs, the kit's design flaws and potential safety risks make it a recipe for disaster. If you're in the market for a reliable wind solar kit, I recommend exploring other options that prioritize quality and user safety. Call to action * for those who are willing to take on the risks associated with this product. Be sure to check out the best price on Amazon by clicking the link in the description below. But if you're looking for a hassle-free off-grid experience, consider investing in a reputable brand that prioritizes quality and user safety. Your wallet and your safety will thank you.